Okay, in the next few videos, we're going to talk about subtracting whole numbers. And again, there's terminology that you may not have been aware of in the past, but we're going to talk about this terminology because it is important. Here, if we have this problem that says 3 minus 2 equals 1, well, okay, we understand that, no problem. But did you know what these things are actually called? The 3 is called the minuend. The 2 is called the subtrahend. This is what you are subtracting from the minuend. And what you end up with, or your answer, is called the difference. So those are very important terminology words. Now, whenever we talk about subtraction, just like we did with addition, it's very, very important to keep in mind place value because we subtract according to place values. Now, subtraction, though, is neither commutative nor associative, so we can't do it in any order that we want to. We actually have to take the subtrahend from the minuend in order to get the difference. Okay, so let's look at this problem we have here. 7,531 minus 4,301. So here, this number is the minuend, and this number is the subtrahend. What we end up with will be the difference. Now, I know that you guys have done subtraction for a long time, so this should not be a problem, but I really wanted to focus in on the vocabulary there. Okay, so we can take 1 away from 1, which would leave us with 0. Remember, we always want to stay in the column. This is the ones column, so we subtract the ones. Then we move to the tens column, and we subtract those. So we can take 0 away from 3, which would be 3. We can take 3 away from 5, so 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 7 minus 4 would be 3. So our answer here would be 3,230. Now, when it comes to carrying or borrowing, we need to really pay attention to what we're doing so that we can then translate that into other concepts, fractions most importantly. So in the next video, we're going to talk about subtracting when you have to borrow.